Hi, and welcome to the course PHP for Beginners, the Finance Tracker project. Okay, so you want to learn how to program PHP. That is fantastic. What I'm going to try to do is show you how I learnt PHP years ago, more focused on procedural programming. Languages we're going to use are PHP, HTML, CSS, Ajax, JavaScript, and MySQL. Now, MySQL is the database. JavaScript is how we're going to make end-user functionality. Ajax is how we're going to call some PHP scripts without reloading the page. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, PHP is a server-side language, so once you request a page, all of that code has already been accessed from the server. With Ajax, we can do a bit of trickery so we don't have to reload the page. Yeah, that's it. Let's get into the course.